Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Kayak booking confirmation error. So to fix this issue, you can start by checking the travel provider directly. Since Kayak is a search engine and aggregator, your booking is ultimately finalized through the actual airline, hotel, or car rental company, for example, Expedia, Booking.com, or Delta. Now the next what you can do is check for the payment and processing delays. Sometimes email filters block confirmation email. So what you can do is go to your Gmail and then go to your spam folders to check for the emails. You can also check your credit card account to see if the funds were deducted or are being held as pending. If you received an error during the payment step, the transaction may have failed. Just re-enter your payment details or try a different card, ensuring the billing address matches exactly. Now the next what you can do is resolve information mismatches. Even minor typos can prevent a confirmation. Verify that your passport, your first name or your last name and any middle names match exactly as required. Call or check your email account to ensure no typos were made when typing your email address during checkout. Now the next what you can do is switch the devices or network. Try completing the booking on a different devices like Kayak mobile app instead of desktop or a different Wi-Fi network. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.